My name is Tejasvi Kumar. I am from grade 8L and today I am going to be talking about a topic in physics known as nuclear power. Today's learning objective will be, we are going to learn about the nuclear power and nuclear fusion and their facts. What is nuclear energy and fusion? Nuclear energy is the energy stored inside an atom by the forces that hold together the nucleus of the atom. Scientists have learned how to capture large amounts of energy from these forces that can be used to generate electricity. When working on his theory of relativity, Albert Einstein discovered the mathematical formula E equals mc square. What is nuclear fusion? Nuclear fusion is the process of splitting of a large atom into two or more smaller atoms. When an atom is split, a huge amount of energy is released. When the energy is released in a slow, controlled manner, it can be used to generate electricity to power our homes. When the energy is released all at once, a chain reaction occurs causing a nuclear explosion. In this next slide, I am going to be talking about nuclear power plants. One of the major applications for nuclear fusion is nuclear power. Nuclear power plants use nuclear fusion to generate heat. They use this heat to create steam from water, which in turn powers electrical generators. Did you know around 20% of the electricity in the United States is generated by nuclear power plants? There are 104 commercial nuclear generating units in the US. Nuclear power plants use the element uranium as fuel. Controlled rods of uranium are used to make sure that the chain reaction of some atoms splitting proceeds at a controlled pace. In this next slide, I am going to be talking about a few of the amazing and interesting facts about nuclear energy and fusion. The top 3 states for generating nuclear energy are Illinois, Pennsylvania and South Carolina. The United States generates more nuclear energy than any other nation. In the history of nuclear energy, there have been 3 major nuclear power plant disasters, including the Chernobyl, Russia, 3 Mile Island, United States, and Fukushima Daiichi, Japan. The first nuclear powered submarine was the USS Nautilus, which put out to sea in 1954. One uranium pellet can generate the same amount of energy as around 1000 kilograms of coal. The smoke you see coming from a nuclear power plant is not pollution but steam. I was amazed to know these facts while preparing this presentation. Now I am going to show you a short video on nuclear power and fusion. I hope you liked the video and the presentation. I really enjoyed making this presentation. It's really fun and exciting to teach than learn. Listening to this presentation and have a nice day.